Hey you guys, it's your girl Truly Jam back, and I'm coming back with unboxing. Well, I guess it should be unwrapping. um, so I ordered something off of Etsy from Barrel Class on Etsy, and it was $11 initially, and then when you pay with shipping and everything, it's $14.46. So I received it. When is it? Saturday, and now I'm gonna open it for you guys. I did not open or peek into it, even though I wanted to so bad. So it came. I was gonna do it with you guys, so I opened it already, like up like this, and this is how it was packaged. It was closed really nice, you guys. I opened it like this. It's a jewelry shop, and so this is how she sent it. So she sent me one of these and one of these, and I think that's it. Yep, that's it. And then she sent me a letter. Well, not a letter, I guess what all I got. And it is a lot of things, and that is really good. Look at that, 100 piece. I cannot wait to look at this. And so it says, thank you very much for purchasing this bead lot for this beads lot for this lot. I put together beads with an earthy tone, blues, browns, greens, and etc. This is a great mix of sizes, shapes, and types of beads, so you can create lots of creative and interesting pieces. Enjoy. Below is the list of things that we have. So which one should I open? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its throat. If you holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I was supposed to rat. I was supposed to cat. I was supposed to play with see, dog, hat. I guess it's this one. And she wrapped it so nicely. If you're watching, thank you. So let's open it up. Oh, wow. That's so nice. So, is it tied? Yes, it's tied. This video might be a little long, guys. A lot of stuff to go through. This is pretty darn good for $11. So she sent me some wire. That's nice. Some jewelry wire. And it is blue. That's number 3. Then she sent me, oh wow, some crystals. Okay, and this is number 8. So it's 70 champagne crystal beads. Oh wow, those are so beautiful. I don't think you guys see the sparkle in these beads right now. Beautiful. Oh, wow. What number is this? Number 17, which is a strand of 6mm round natural jasper gems beads. I love gem beads. I love earthy colors. And I love giving people the option of sending me things that I don't have to pick. It's kind of good not knowing what you're going to get. That is so beautiful. And this one is number 13, which is a 50-piece 6mm blue-green glass pearl beads. Let's see. Open up now. Let's take some of these out so you guys can see it. Look at that. beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at those guys. That is beautiful. Okay, and this is number 12, and it's 6mm, 15-piece tiger eye stone natural gemstones. I love it. Yeah, I can tell it's tiger's eye now. Come on, focus. You see that tiger's eye? Whenever you look at it and it has that marbling in there. This is a lot of beads for this price. Number 14 is 100-piece amber square glass cube beads, 4x4s. Wow, it's beautiful. I love amber. I love earth tone colors too. That's basically what I wear in makeup and all of that. Number 15 is 20-piece 8mm round green rice spot jasper gemstone beads. Wow, those are so pretty. You guys, this package deal is really good. And this one is number 10. And it's 24 grams of large turquoise seed beads. Seed. S-E-E-D. Okay. Nice. That's turquoise. Okay. And number 16. Number 16 is 200-piece copper-plated flower bead cups. Wow, those are beautiful. I love the colors. And for the last two in this bag is number 9, and that is a strand of small black sea beads. You can never have enough of those. And in this bag, which is number 11, it is opal white faceted crystal glass bicones, 4mm. All right, let's open up this pack. Oh wow, she's getting a gold bag. All gold bag. I'm loving that. Okay, so the first thing, does it have a number on it? Yeah, number 3 is a 7x4 turquoise beads strand. That's beautiful. This is a lot of beads, you guys, for $11. Oh, number 1, a heart-shaped metal clasp or thing. It's really pretty. It'd be cute for a bracelet. Then number 6 is turquoise green howlite gemstone beads strand. Oh, I guess it is on a strand. It didn't look like it, but it is. Let's take this out. Yes, on a strand. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so beautiful. Then number 2 is assorted of antique brass key charms. You guys know how I feel about my charms. And she sent a lot of charms. And they're brass. I don't have any of this color. Well, yes, I do. I do have some of this color. Look at all of these keys. That's so beautiful. I can even put resin in there. Oh, love. The skull key. That is so nice. Yes, you guys. Look at that. Those are cool. Oh, Loki. She sent me a lot of things. Thank you if you're watching. Nice little keys. That is a lot. I will be ordering from her again. And let's see. It's 2 more pieces I see. This one is number 4. 18 millimeter dragon vein ball pendant. Wow. Wow. That is, you guys don't even know how this feels. It is beautiful. I hate I only got one of these. That'd be so nice for it. It's pretty heavy though. And then the last one is number 5, and that's a yellow blue dragon vein heart pendant. It is beautiful work. Oh my gosh. And it feels so nice, you guys. So yes, let's take a look at all the stuff that you get for $14, and that is including shipping. This is crazy. All of these strands. Look at this. Beautiful. And we get this, and we get this. That is a lot of things, you guys. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. It is so worth it, you guys. So I'm going to leave the link to her shop at the bottom in the description below, you guys. If you want, go and check her out because her shop is the bomb. She has so many jewelry pieces and beads. And if you want, you could pick out something like I did. That was $11, and with shipping, it was $14.46. And she also sent you a picture of all the items, well, what you got in the bag. It's beautiful. All of them beautiful. I love them. And yeah, you guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos. If you have any questions that you may want to ask me, leave them in the comments below. And as always, you guys, have a blessed night. I want to take a look at these. Oh my gosh. And they feel so nice. I love, love, love them. Beautiful. She picked out some really beautiful pieces for me. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a blessed night. You guys, if you want to get notifications, hit that bell in the top right hand corner and you'll be notified anytime that I make videos. I have a lot of content that you guys might enjoy, so if you go back and look at my content, leave comments below. And as always, you guys have a blessed night. Bye. Love you.